think I messed up. I didn't know about these iPhone shortcuts sooner. Let's fix that. First up, the undo gesture. Typed a long message and accidentally deleted it? Just 3 taps and it's back. Next, the quick app switcher. Swipe left or right with 3 fingers and boom, instant app switching. The third one's a gem. Turn your keyboard into a trackpad to quickly move the cursor. Shortcut 4, quick camera access. Snap pics in a jiffy without navigating to the home screen. 5, a built-in document scanner. Scan on the go, save in a snap. Shortcut 6, quick emoji access. Pop those emojis faster than ever. And finally, custom vibrations. Create unique vibes for specific notifications. Trust me, try these out and thank me later. Drop a comment below on your favorite shortcut and catch you in the next vid. Sarosia.